Hello friends, welcome to How to Funda YouTube channel. So in this video, we have depicted a model which is named as a ecosystems. Ecosystem where we have a detailed environment, we have complete environment which is having both living and non-living things together. If you can see here, right, we have living things, we have all animals, birds, fishes, and we have forest animals, and we have mountain, we have sun, sky, everything together here, even small plants. This is a complete ecosystem which we have depicted here in a beautiful way. If you can see, right, this is the overall the way we can depict a ecosystem model. And we also depicted the same model, we converted into a pollution model where after human being intervene into this ecosystem, where human beings are damaged the environment for the sake of himself, and they have removed all the forest, they destroyed the forest, they cut the trees, and they filled a lot of factories in that area. And factories are we're showing other side of the ecosystem where human has damaged the complete same environment which was there in this side. Human has completely damaged the ecosystem. If you can see, right, the humans have cut the trees. Because of the trees they cut, lot of animals got died, as well as the human have implemented, people constructed various factories after cutting the trees. If you can see, right, because of that lot of pollution has created, and there is an imbalance in the ecosystems which has created water pollution, air pollution. It destroy complete overall ecosystem altogether. Because of that, animals are dying, even certain places humans are also dying, humans are also suffering with various diseases. So now at least you guys are able to understand how would be the ecosystem earlier. Now how is our ecosystem now after humans have interfered, how after humans enter into this area. I'm hoping you guys clearly got an idea what is overall ecosystem, how human being spoiled this ecosystem by bringing lot of factories, cutting the trees, damaging the environment by polluting the environment, and so on. If you really enjoyed the concept of this video, if you really enjoyed the concept of this model, then please give a thumbs up to this video. If you guys are not subscribed to How to Funda YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.